Welcome to the Welding program at Northeast Tech's Afton campus. This program prepares students for high-demand careers by teaching the skills needed to become successful multi-process welders. Students gain hands-on experience with a variety of welding processes, including stick, MIG, TIG, flux cored arc, and multi-process welding, as well as oxy-fuel and plasma cutting. They learn to work with different metals, pipes, stainless steels, and aluminum, building confidence and versatility in the shop. Through a combination of classroom instruction and extensive shop projects, students develop essential skills such as welding safety, math for welders, rigging, equipment setup, and cutting techniques. They also explore advanced processes like open root pipe welding and groove welds, giving them the practical experience employers demand. Students develop technical expertise, problem-solving abilities, and critical thinking skills that prepare them for real-world welding careers. They also have the opportunity to earn industry-recognized certifications, boosting their career readiness. Upon completion of the program, students are prepared for a variety of jobs in the welding industry, including as traveling welders, fabricators, and CNC laser cutting table operators. Forge your future and enroll at Northeast Tech Afton's welding program today.